Do you guys want to learn how to do this? Okay, just watch the video. I used Mimu Buttonresponder. Hi. Y'all know what we will be doing here, so let's not waste any time. I've already made an embed here for the roles, and I am not going to show you how to make embed because I already did many times. But you can find the command in the video's description. Just use that and fill out all the details. Let's get started. Now we will be doing the button responders for 2 roles. We will start with lemon. Now, you might ask, Pixie, the hell does that mean? Well bro, it's just a random role. You can make any role like color, country, gender, pronoun or anything. I am just giving you an example. In add role, you need to add the role that you'll be assigning here, and please make sure these roles don't have any dangerous perms since it's for members. That's it for reply. Now let's move on to the next, which is label. If you don't know what label is, oh dear. So whatever you write here will appear on the button, even if you write, when life gives you lemons. Yes, that's right, when life gives me lemons, I make a Discord video. Oh dear, how did I end up like this? Anyway, the next is color. Pick anything, nobody cares, and the same with emoji. You can even use nitro if you're not broke like me. And for limitations and invoker underscore only, just copy me. That's done. Let's test this. And it worked, but I'll remove the role and try it again. And it worked again. Yay! Y'all also say yay if it worked for you. No. Bad joke. Cringe. True, that's cringe. Moving on, this role is for carrot. It's exactly the same as lemon, but this time, my life will give me carrots. Now let's use this command. It will merge embed and button thingies together. Here, you need to make sure to write embed name correctly, just as how it is mentioned. Source. Trust me bro. I am speaking from experience. I made that mistake and it took me 5 hours banging my head against the wall to figure out that it was a spelling mistake, so you don't do the same. It's the same with button responders. Write the names correctly. And this is how a perfect thingy looks. Now just select the channel. Make sure you have already created a separate roles channel. I think I should have said that at the start of the video. Anyway, it's done and it looks super cute, ain't it? It's also working perfectly well. It's always nice to see that my creation is working. Yes, this is my invention. Took me 8 hours to figure out because I was like, how do I give roles using the button responders? Oh, and you will find all the layouts and decors in my server. I heard so many people are calling me underrated YouTuber, and I guess they're right, even though I have so many subs, but my views are still pretty low. So make sure to like and sub to my channel, don't just watch me. Let's get the algorithm ticking. And I'll be back on Monday since I'll be traveling tomorrow. I hope y'all also touch grass.